Delhi is gasping for breath, and it isn't because of war or a pandemic. Delhi struggles against something much closer to home. The enemy, it's the very air its people breathe. And the question remains, can Delhi's battle for breathable air be won?
Delhi's air pollution index have reached 400.
Let's just talk about the pollution count here in the national capital.
Pollution watchdog allowed classes in hybrid mode, but the air quality.
दिल्ली में AQI level में सुधार होते.
New Delhi continue to choke under air pollution.
With PM 2.5 levels frequently reaching hazardous status, Delhi's air quality hovers around levels that are dangerous to human health. Just recently, the city's air quality index spiked to an alarming 400, reaching a threshold that experts agree can significantly affect the quality of life and even life expectancy. Each year, as winter approaches, the air in Delhi becomes almost unbreathable. A thick, toxic haze, a deadly smoke blankets the city. For the 26 million residents of Delhi, this air crisis has turned into an everyday battle. The impacts are profound. Spending even a day outside in Delhi's air can be harmful as smoking 50 cigarettes, and children in particular suffer immensely, with over 2.2 million experiencing permanent lung damage. What's driving this crisis? The answer is complex. Delhi's air pollution stems from multiple sources, including emissions from vehicles, construction dust, and even power plants. The influx of crop burning smoke from neighboring states like Punjab and Haryana adds to the severity of the pollution, especially during the winter months. When smoke from these fields drifts into city, it combines with local emissions to form a toxic, dense cloud, one that settles over Delhi for weeks on end. But what is the government doing about it? In recent years, the government has implemented several measures to try and curb this pollution. Initiatives like odd even rule, which restrict car usage based on license plate numbers, aim to reduce traffic emissions. Additionally, ban on firecrackers, encouragement of public transportation, and mandates for electric bus are step towards cleaner air. Recently, Delhi government took even stricter action, implementing GRAP 3 measures. These included suspending certain types of construction works, closing schools, and enforcing restrictions on vehicle movement. Even so, these efforts alone may not be enough. On the ground, individual actions are also essential. For Delhi residents, protecting themselves has become necessity. Masks, air purifiers, and regular AQI checks are part of daily life for many people. But there's a growing realization that without deeper systemic changes, this crisis will only continue. To tackle this crisis effectively, it's crucial to address the root causes. Reducing stubble burning, enhancing greenery, and managing waste disposal are steps that need to be scaled up. Regular pollution checks for vehicles and stricter controls on industrial emissions are also vital. This air pollution crisis is not just a seasonal issue. It's a year-round threat to public health, the economy, and even the environment. If each one of us takes steps towards eco-friendly practices, from reducing waste to conserving energy, we can start building momentum towards a real change. Delhi's air pollution crisis is deeply rooted. Addressing it will require not only innovation and government action, but also the collective will of its people. Together, we can take action, ensuring that air in Delhi and beyond becomes safe to breathe once again.